In this video, we will explore the process of aligning two opposing Gocator laser line sensors in GoPxL. In an opposite layout, we have two sensors facing each other. When their measurement ranges intersect, we can effectively scan an object placed between them. This setup is commonly used for measuring sample thickness. It's worth mentioning that LMI Gocators come already calibrated from the factory, meaning users don't need to worry about calibrating them themselves. But when you are using more than one sensor, making sure they are aligned properly becomes really important. Essentially, alignment ensures that each sensor knows the precise position of the others. This way their individual scan data can be combined. I will demonstrate how to align two sensors using the moving bar alignment procedure. Our first step is to add the two sensors to this GoPxL instance. When we click the Discover button, we can see that two sensors are available. If we click the Design button, we can add the two sensors by checking the checkboxes over here. Also, we want to be able to manage the sensor group layout, so I'm going to enable this one. Per default, the sensors are set in wide mode. We want to have opposite mode. We can simply do this by dragging this sensor to the bottom row. Now simply press Done. Let's now make a simple profile scan of a pencil. Keep in mind that the alignment is not done yet. The colors indicate the different sensors. As you can clearly see, the gap between the profile lines is currently incorrect. Also, there seems to be a slight misalignment in X direction. This is the target that we are going to use for our alignment. Keep in mind that for this particular example we actually only need one hole. Let's now make a surface scan of the alignment target. The two holes are not aligned. And as you can see from the side view, the thickness isn't correct either. It's now time to align the sensors. Click Alignment on the left and notice this indicator. It says Not Aligned. Also notice the sensor transform table for sensor 0 and sensor 1. All values are now 0. Now click this button. Here you can set alignment type. In this case I'm going to choose a moving. And target type, I'm going to choose a bar. Then set these parameters. You can also choose the degrees of freedom. Now simply click Next and make a scan. The alignment is now complete. Click Done and you will see the indicator is indicating aligned. Also notice that the values are now non-zero for sensor 1 and sensor 0. Let's now make a surface scan of the alignment target to see if the alignment was done correctly. We can clearly see that the holes are now aligned. If we go to the side view, we see that the thickness of the alignment target matches the expectation. Let's have a look at the pencil sample again and make a scan in profile mode. This looks much better than before, confirming again that the alignment was done correctly. Finally, now let's make a surface scan of the pencil. We succeeded. Here is a nice 3D scan of a pencil using two Gocators in opposing layout. I hope you enjoyed this video.